Hello, I'm Nathan, and in this series of tutorials I'm going to be teaching you how to use Loom. And you may be wondering what exactly Loom is. So Loom is a video recording software that allows you to seamlessly create and upload videos with the touch of a button. Loom has a simple and easy to use interface that allows you to get started quickly. Loom can be used in a variety of different ways as showcased in the Use Cases page. Loom can be used for engineering, sales, design, customer support, customer success, and leadership. Loom can also be used in the classroom. There are two different ways to install Loom. You can either install Loom on your desktop or on the Chrome browser. I'm going to be going over both of these ways in this video. The main difference between the desktop application and the Chrome extension is that the Chrome extension does not support annotations. Loom requires you to create an account in order to use the service. This is due to the fact that all of your recordings are stored on Loom and you need an account to manage all of the recordings. To create an account with Loom, you want to click the Get Loom for Free button in the upper right hand corner. You can also find this button in the home page in the middle of the screen. Once you click the Get Loom for Free button, you'll be redirected to a page that says Sign Up for Loom. You have three options on which provider you want to sign up with. You can either sign up with Google, Slack, or with your email. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using a previous account that I already created, but you would need to sign up with either Google, Slack, or your email. When you have finished signing up with your preferred provider, you will see a screen similar to this one. In order to download Loom for your desktop, you want to click on More and select Desktop App. The Loom desktop app supports both Windows and macOS. You will see a button in the middle of the screen for your operating system that you are currently using. Click the button to download for your operating system. If you are running macOS, you want to open the downloaded file. Next, you want to drag Loom to your Applications folder, which might require an administrative password. If you want Loom on your dock for easy access, you want to open the Applications folder in Finder. Next, drag Loom to your dock and you'll be easily able to access the application. If you are on a Windows computer, you want to double-click the exe file and then follow the instructions presented to you. If you want an easy way to open Loom, you can either open up the Loom app using the Start menu and searching for Loom, then opening it up, and then you can also either click Pin to Start and Pin to Taskbar for easy access. To install Loom on the Chrome browser, you want to open up a new tab and search Loom Chrome extension. Next, you want to click the first result that comes from the Google Chrome store. Next, you want to click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. You can see that the extension is going to be visible on the upper right, and to open it, you want to click on the Loom icon. Now that we've either installed Loom on your Chrome browser or on your desktop, it's now time to dive into all of the features that Loom has to offer. In the next video of the series, you'll learn how to record videos with Loom and all of the various options and settings available to you. I really want to thank you for watching this tutorial on installing Loom. If you have any questions about installing Loom, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them. If you'd enjoyed this video, click the like button down below, and I'll see you later in the next tutorial video of the series. Bye.